everyone! Welcome back to my channel. I'm Avery, and this is Avery's World. Today we'll be doing another jewelry unboxing. Actually, we'll be looking at some items that I purchased on eBay. And let's get into it. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. And if you enjoy watching this video, give it a thumbs up. I mainly do jewelry hauls, and I'm a reseller on Poshmark and Mercari. Okay, you guys, let's see what we got today. How's everyone's day going? I'm having a pretty good day today. So our first item here is a turquoise ring. By the way, all the items today are sterling silver. And it's a pretty sizable piece of turquoise in this ring. Very beautiful. And let's get a size on this. Looks like a size 9. Very nice. Now, if you're interested in purchasing anything from today's video, you can always send me an email, or you can head on over to my Poshmark page. Okay, so our next item is this beautiful ring here. It looks like a blue stone with a halo of CZs. Let's get a size on it. It looks like 7 3/4. Okay, so next up we have this beautiful ring with some pink stone inlay. And I'm not sure if this is mother of pearl or not. Let's get a size on it. And it looks like 5 3/4. Okay, so next we have this nice ring. We've got gold over sterling, and we've got some pink and green CZs. Very beautiful. Let's look at the size on this one. And it looks like 7 3/4. Okay, let's organize our items here a little bit. And our next ring, it's a beautiful gray stone. And it's a larger ring. Very pretty. Let's get a size on this one. And this looks like 9 3/4. Let's look at our next ring. This looks like a peridot stone with CZs. And it's a pretty small ring. Very beautiful though. Let's get a size on this one. And it looks like 4 3/4. This is a beautiful ring. We've got what looks like a blue topaz center stone with small amethysts. And this is also a larger ring. Let's get a size on that. And that's a size 10. And let's look at our next ring. We've got a beautiful ring here with some CZs. And it looks like a size 8. And this is our final ring for today, and It's a beautiful amethyst ring. Very sparkly amethyst. Let's get a size on that. And it looks like 8.5. I think this is my favorite ring from today's video. What was your favorite item from today's video? Okay guys, see you in the next video. Bye!